Do onions only serve the purpose of giving a flavor kick to our dishes? Or is there more to this humble kitchen staple? A deeper dive into the world of onions reveals a wealth of health benefits that are as impressive as their culinary uses. Onions, though low in calories, are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. They come packed with vitamins such as vitamin C, B vitamins like B6 and folate, and minerals including potassium and manganese. So, while you're enjoying that savory onion soup or onion-laden stir-fry, your body is also receiving a nourishing boost of healthful nutrients. But the benefits don't stop at simply being nutrient-rich. Onions are also a treasure trove of antioxidants, including quercetin and sulfur compounds. These antioxidants work tirelessly to neutralize the pesky free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. So every time you bite into an onion-laden dish, you're also taking a bite out of inflammation. The heart, the vital organ that keeps us ticking, also receives a helping hand from onions. The sulfur compounds in onions promote lower blood pressure and reduced cholesterol levels, contributing positively to overall heart health. Moreover, the antioxidants in onions, particularly quercetin, wield anti-inflammatory properties. This can help quell inflammation in the body and may be beneficial for conditions like arthritis. Onions may also play a role in cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of onions may be associated with a lower risk of certain cancers, including colorectal and gastric cancers. The antioxidants and organosulfur compounds in onions may be the key players in this cancer-fighting role. Onions aren't just great for the heart and the immune system, they also take care of blood sugar regulation. They contain compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially exhibiting anti-diabetic effects by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. Finally, the vitamin C content in onions contributes to a robust immune system. Alongside this, the antioxidants in onions support the body's defense mechanism against infections and illnesses. However, remember that while onions offer a myriad of health benefits, individual responses may vary, and maintaining a balanced and varied diet is paramount for overall well-being. For specific health concerns or conditions, consulting with a healthcare professional for personalized advice is always the best course of action. So the next time you dice an onion, remember you're not just adding flavor to your dish, but also a whole host of health benefits. Who knew that the humble onion could be such a health superhero?